Recently, no other car manufacturing company is gaining attention as Elon Musk's Tesla Motors. The company, based in Silicon Valley, USA, is escalating the world's transition to green and sustainable technology without compromising its performance. In this video we are going to talk about surprising facts about Tesla. If you are interested, stay tuned into the video, you will definitely find some value. Let's move on towards the topic. Founded in 2003, the company's name is a tribute to the great inventor and engineer, Nikola Tesla. The company design, manufacture and sell the world's most efficient solar technology, energy storage systems, and electric-powered vehicles. These services allow customers the opportunity to generate and consume energy in a more sustainable means. In 2008, it raised a few eyebrows when they introduced the world's first fully electric sports car, Tesla Roadster. According to Elon Musk, the company's CEO, it aims to assist the world in a sustainable and energy-efficient transportation system through electric vehicles and solar energy. Now it's time to explore surprising things you might not know about Tesla. Number 5. Tesla makes more than cars. As ironic to the name, Tesla Motor Company, the company has been more evolved to make more than fine, energy-efficient automobiles. It believes to create a sustainable energy ecosystem and hence also manufactures various unique energy-saving solutions like low-cost solar roofs, Powerwall, PowerPack, thus enabling the users to manage renewable energy generation and consumption. These inventions require only solar energy for recharging home appliances. Number 4. Electric SUV. We all know that sports utility vehicles are commonly known as SUV or notorious gas consumers, the worst reprobates when it comes to fossil fuels. Tesla Motors is proposing a challenging transformation that brings in the all-electric SUV. Model X, the prototype of the proposed electric SUV, is a 7-seater with gullwing doors and uses a single battery for traveling. Are you still watching my video? If so, you will definitely enjoy my other videos. If you are interested in exploring new and different things, subscribe to my channel right now. I upload these types of videos regularly on my channel. Now let's move on towards the topic. Number 3. Insanely safe design. It has constantly received high appreciation for its safety factor from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. At a point, Tesla S was considered to be the safest in the market. The notable points which make Model S the safest are it's virtually indestructible and they are near impossible to tip over because of its heavy batteries. The model has broken several of the safety test equipment as it is so resilient. Elon Musk and the other engineers want to revolutionize the automobile industry with not only energy efficiency but also with safety occupants. Number 2. No maintenance? The cars designed by Tesla require almost no maintenance. This is a surprising element considering their electric engines and other progressive technology. The batteries are so advanced and durable that they do not require to be changed during their lifetime. It is believed that the car is rock solid, and the only parts which may need to be changed are the windshield, wiper blades, and tires. Number 1. Largest battery factory. As the demand for Tesla's automobile is rushing, the company has decided to build the world's largest battery factory, which is also said to be one of the biggest buildings on the planet. Out in the desert of California, the 5.8 million square feet factory is to be set up to produce batteries for its electric vehicles. It is said that the company will make enough batteries to power up 500,000 electric cars per year. That's it for today's video. If you like what you saw, hit the like button. If you are interested in exploring the world and different hot topics, subscribe to my channel as well because there's more of where this content came from. See you in the next video.